Hello, and welcome everyone. Today, my name is Hassan. I am the founder of Hayah University, and today, honestly, I just wanted to record, so not a lot of talking, just me going through the work and showing you how to build a landing page on WordPress, showing you how easy it is, and showing you my style. I mean, it's based on 8 years of working with clients from different parts of the world. So follow along. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to get rid of all my other stuff going on here so that we don't get interrupted. Okay, so I'm going to give you the screen. And cool, everyone. First of all, thank you for tuning in. The intention today is for me to show you how to build a landing page. I'm giving you this knowledge with an open heart. Thank you for listening. Thank you for following along. And I hope this is useful. So let's jump right to it. Uh, what I'm using right now is it's Elementor. It's basically a website builder, a plugin that works with WordPress. Simple. And what I want to do is I have an educational website, educational company. And what I want to do is I want to um, just have a page explaining the curriculum. Why? Because it's important to have a page that explains your curriculum if you're trying to compete with Ivy League universities and kick their butt, right? Because that's my goal. So I have a lot of information about the university that I wrote down, and so all I have to do here is kind of copy and paste now. When you have the information ready beforehand, that's the real deal here. Select. I don't like it. It's not a bullet. Change the color here. Middle. So, and update. Make sure you're updating all the time. Okay, so now it doesn't look like this change. Right. Oh, okay. And then look, you just if you want to duplicate, you just right click and then duplicate, and then you can just grab it from here and take it to any column and just paste over it. It keeps doing that. I need to find a better way, but for the sake of just doing it live, and then change the color. It is already changed anyways. Update, update. So first of all, people walk in, they see these things. Sounds good. And then what I want to talk about is the fundamental of our teaching system. So how can I show that? Here. Okay. I want it to look like a dynamic website. So I would add, like, this is a section. Each section has an amount of columns. So you just choose the formation that you want. For me, I already chose one here, so I can select it here. I don't want it to be boxed. I want it to be full width. Save. And style is you can choose the background of the section. That's a photo. It can be classic, it can be a video, it can be a gradient. I want an image. It's called a slide gallery here. Same thing, you just put one image. And I already uploaded all the images. And I just like photos of people. So I wanted something like cool. forward thinking. Okay. So you see here, it didn't change. It might be just that it didn't update. But if I go to the settings of I guess it's full width. So that should be solved. So it's already updated. Let's try to refresh that. Okay, so I'm teaching you how to also do works. Let's say in real life you didn't know how to do something. Do you get stuck? No. So you're just gonna come here, and I always like starting by adding a spacer. And then you can control the spacer here. And then I want to add text, not a heading. I don't like headings. I like text. You can duplicate this. No, not this one. Okay, so we can paste it directly into the box. Copy. Middle. Y. Heading 1. Nah, too big. 2. Sure. Maybe this. Update. And directly after that, we can add a section. And that section can be like this. And then we can add a text box. Okay. Guys, if there's any better ways of doing things, you should suggest them to me because I don't claim to know everything. I'm just willing to document my work. I'm just looking. I just forgot that I was working. I looked over into the abyss. The view here is beautiful. Okay. Okay. Sounds good. So this is cool here. Actually, no, I like the update, 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 update. Continuous and never-ending improvement to our system. And I can add things here, so I can say I don't want to write anything from scratch. Actually, I have everything written here. So if I have anything, I'll go up and get. So now I want to explain what are the lessons, what are this, what are that. So what I want to use for that is, let's see what we got. Just normal, split in half, and just, how about I just add a text editor here, and in here, I think maybe image, how about an image slider? So I can put multiple lessons. Let's see, do we have slider? See, that looks nice now, okay. So now our I'm gonna remove some of these, but let me just put them here and then decide which ones I want to remove. Okay, so let's first of all change the color. Do things live when you're working. Maybe that was a bad idea. Let me turn it back to black when I'm done. But I need to send program. Can just short, sweet, and simple to follow. Has cool music, no, but live examples, focus. My cat is here. I don't need to say that. Okay, I'm gonna update. Coolio, Coolio. Select all. Let me go to our lessons here. I'm gonna turn that into maybe heading 2. Fantastic. You can change the colors later. I'm just putting all the information out there, and then I can go after and fix it. But I want to put all that information in. That's the key. Keep going. Let's keep going. So we put our lessons. Now time to put our challenges. Boom, boom, boom. The setting 2 or 3? 2. So we're good. Okay, so we enter, and then we go here. I'm just working here. I'm just working like I'll come back and check it later, but my goal is to now publish this thing. Just close the door here. People can look at. Okay, so what I need to do is to kind of do the same as did here. Put some of the challenges in there. It's a quiet day for me, guys, so be patient and just kind of follow along and speed up the video. If this is not working for you, go to the part that matters. But so two. Cool. Update. Same thing now. We're going to jump into the internship experience. And basically, that's all I'm trying to do here is to explain these three things to people because I have been like talking to people about the university and about the curriculum, but I just want to be able to send them somewhere so that everything can be explained easily. So what I'm going to do here is going to add another one, double section. You know the drill now, right? Text editor. And just I noticed here, let me go back. I'm going to turn that into white. Okay, cool. Honestly, I think people are going to do everything for this internship experience at the university. The internship experience. It's what wow people. Okay, that should be heading 2, the right color, and we go down here. It's a paragraph. so much. Each department will have an entity. Real and measured. Okay, let me do that. I want it to be white. Okay. Now what I need here is photos, but I don't have the photos yet. So I'll do that later. So just today, the main learning lesson here is just to understand these columns, these rows, how to add things and how to just work fast. Like this is not perfect at all. Like update it. This is not in any way, shape, or form perfect, but it's just the helical. And sometimes you just have to get started. I can do some more work, I think. You know what? I'm feeling this is the end of this class. It's just simple class, simple session. It just shows you how to make play, how I do it, how fast to go, and I will be tuning in again. I'll be tuning in again. Watch out for open work sessions. Take care and see you later.